you and me, night and shining over. I will be your fairy tale. One day you're a few, girl, I'll serve you well. I will be there for you to catch you when you fall. I look into your eyes, that's where you belong. I sing this lullaby over to your skin blue. I look into your eyes, you're so beautiful, beautiful, yeah. Oh girl, I think I love you, I'm always thinking of you. I want you to know I do it all for love. I love it, we're together, and I need you forever. I want you to know I do it all for love, all for love, and all for you, all for love, and you. Oh girl, I think I love you, I'm always thinking of you. I want you to know I do it all for love. I love and we're together, and I need you forever. I want you to know I do it all for love. Oh girl, I think I love you, I'm always thinking of you. I want you to know I do it all for love. I love and we're together, and I need you forever. I want you to know I do it all for love.
Hey, thank you. Thank you very much. As a BRB, as boys or boys. So guys,
please welcome the newest member.
The newest member. Thank you guys. So, ano ba masasabi na dito kayo ngayon sa workshop namin?
Member talaga.
Ano sabi ng Alec?
Sobrang overwhelming kasi lahat ng mga magulang nandito at sinusuportahan yung kanilang mga anak. And siyempre parang nakikita din namin yung sarili namin, yung parents namin pag nagpe-perform kami ng mga bata pa kami. Nandyan din nanonood at sinusuportahan kami.
Yes po, hindi nyo po alam na lahat po sila naging workshoppers din po namin. Na-handle din po namin yan. Right now?
Right.
Right?
Right.
So, like guys, anong ma-advise nyo sa mga aspiring artists or actors? Anyone? Advice? Yes, Brian. Because si Brian po is one of our workshoppers. Kasama siya sa public workshops. And now, ayan po siya, may career ng bonggang po.
Oo, salamat. And then, sana, dito ka din ngayon para magbigay kami somehow ng inspiration kasi dito talaga yan nagsisimula lahat eh. Nag-workshop ka, and then nag-auditions ka, hanggang sa dumating yung time mo, hanggang sa dumating yung moment mo na andyan ka na sa showbiz, meron ka ng pangalan, hanggang sa ma-establish ka. So, ganun din yung mga anak sa backstage. So, in the future, darating din sila doon, like me.
Nasa front stage. Corny.
Yeah, Marky.
Dapat proud na proud kayo sa mga anak nyo, nakita ko from backstage, and I see that they really want to grow. And yan yung importante, kapag gusto nyo mag-grow, to be a better singer, better dancer, better actor, ito talaga yung best venue para maging, I don't know, the best you can possibly be sa whatever it is you want to do.
Yes.
That's best dancer, JF.
Pinaka-best dancer.
Best dancer.
Sample daw.
Kapag mahal niyo po talaga yung ginagawa niyo, tuloy niyo lang. Workshop na workshop, pasensya lang. Kasi yung workshop, doon tayo nagkakamali kung nakikita yung mga dapat i-improve. So, tuloy-tuloy lang, patience. Siyempre, faith.
Faith ba yung sinabi mo? Yes. I agree, faith.
Alex?
Ayun, this is a great foundation para sa mga bata. Dito maganda yung dito niyo pinag-aral yung anak niyo ng singing, dancing, and acting. Dahil lahat ng nandito sa ABS-CBN, maraming mga artista na napatunayan na magagaling talaga. Dito din sila nagsimula. Pero siyempre matututo sila through experience. Since siyempre dapat may suporta ng mga magulang. Yun yung pinaka-importante.
Corrected by...
Based from experience.
Based from experience. And si Alice nga po pala ay isang counselor. O,
yes.
diba? Actor na, singer, and counselor. So proud of you. Yes, now.
Siyempre dapat check your heart, diba?
Check your heart.
Check your heart.
Ano ba yung check your heart na yan? Naiintriga ko.
Huwag ka namin apat yun.
motto nila.
Every time you feel low,
When you feel low po, check your heart. Okay?
Yun naman pala. Eh baka naman may mga upcoming shows. Ano kaya
Upcoming
pwede
shows.
abangan ng mga friends natin?
Manood kayo ASAP every Sunday. ASAP 20 every Sunday. Tapos meron pala akong album na lalabas. It's Brian hanggang ngayon. Second album ko na siya. Bali kasama din yung Dadalhin Kita Sa.
Alam ko yan.
Tapos yung pagdating ng panahon na sound sa Dahil sa Pag-ibig. So yun,
Yes.
marami po.
Marky?
Ako naman may solo din akong album na all originals na lalabas as an indie album. By Star Records din. So abangan niyo din yun.
Meron din po ako under Ivory Records self-titled JM De Guzman.
Yeah.
And abangan niyo po yung Angelito, ang bagong yugto.
Yan.
This June na po. And
Dance album mo bro.
dance album ko.
Ano po? Yes, Alex.
Yun, ASAP 2012, every Sunday, supportahan niyo po kaming apat, yung ASAP Boys are Boys.
Guys, may sarili silang mga ano.
Ayos sarili kami kayo, pero pag ASAP, isa lang kami sa grupo lang kami,
Yes.
yung ASAP Boys are Boys, BRB. And dyan, meron din po akong upcoming movie, yung under Regal Films, yung Bride and the Lover, and Migrante, directed by Joel Lamangan.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So meron bang official Twitter account ng BRB?
Ano ko may gumawa eh, yes, Boys are Boys.
And then personal Twitter
Yes.
page?
Meron din. Personal Twitter ko, nakapili na lang, Brian Termulo. So, maliit yung pangalan ng aking Twitter, Tumblr, and Facebook. Kasi, follow niyo po ako. Thank you.
Then Marky Strong, may RTKISTROEN sa Facebook sa Twitter.
Sige.
Ako number 1, Miguel De Guzman.
Yan na.
I am Alex Castro.
Ayan.
Andrea Alba po. Pati akin na lang pakialam dito.
Okay. Eh kasi busy pa naman yung Boys are Boys. Guys,
Guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, daw. Sila na ang magaling. Kumanta, umarte.